What's up, guys? Today we are going to be taking a look at throttle play. What I mean by throttle play is that right there. And it doesn't seem like a big deal, but when you're riding and you're using your clutch, especially in cornering and shifting and everything, it is a big deal, and it really it kind of messes things up. So I'm going to show you a really easy way to adjust that. First thing you're going to need is a 10 millimeter and an 8 millimeter. I don't have an 8 millimeter, so I'm going to use my adjustable wrench. This first nut right here is the 10 millimeter, and this would be the 8 millimeter. So what I'm going to do is break it free, putting it on there just like so, where it's not going to strip it. And then putting this over, cinching it down just like that, and loosening it up. As you can see, it turns pretty freely right there. So I'm going to start off with, let's do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can feel it, and it helped quite a bit. Let's do a little bit more. 1, 2, 3. As you can see how much that really left. Look at that. Very little play in it now. Yes, that feels way better. Now, one thing you're going to want to do is tighten this one up right here. You get your tools? Oh, that's awesome. I love it. You're going to help me work on the bike? Got my trusty worker right here. Okay, as you're going to put this up right here. You're going to tighten this just like that. That way it doesn't move. Now, one thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and start it, because you want to make sure that's not pulling it too tight. Yeah, that looks real good. That's real good. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and do one final tightening real quick. There we go. That way it doesn't vibrate loose or anything. So that is my easy how-to. This is a 2012 Honda CBR1000RR.